Welcome aboard the 2019 Galeon 485 HTS. My name is Kit Beaudry and I'm going to take you a walkthrough today of this 485 HTS. First off, I'd like to show you a few features on the transom. Notice this large swim platform hydraulically drops into the water to your starboard side steps coming out of the cockpit to board your dinghy. Easy access with that. Next thing, you have this significant garage for some kind of inflatable. Moving into the cockpit area, large L-shaped seating with a fiberglass table, so you can keep your guest outside. You do have a sure shade as well that retracts out. Very unique option on Galeon. If you're bringing your guest in or bringing your guest out, this kind of makes the best of both worlds. The retracting glass that falls down and kind of makes everyone join together. But when you're ready to actually close it up, close the salon door here, it keeps the AC in and everybody moves the party inside. So step on into the upper galley here. You have a nice wet bar. More L-shaped seating with a nice teak table. Moving to the helm area, a double companion seat. Your electronics are going to be a Marine 12-inch Axiom. Boat does come with autopilot. Your Volvo Penta gauges. This boat's powered with IPS Volvo 600s. And then you have your zip wake system. We're going to move on down to the lower portion of the salon here. Moving into the salon, first thing you'll notice is this more L-shaped seating for your guests when you're down here cooking, entertaining. TV up top here. This does retract and fall to make another bed for your guest. Over here to the lower galley, sink, stove, cooktop, microwave oven. Moving forward, this is going to be your day head, which is also multifunctional for your guests that'll be staying in the forward VIP stateroom. Notice the fit and finish up above. Some of Galeon's great work. Moving back to the aft portion of the boat to the master stateroom, which is a full beam stateroom. First thing would be your master head. You have a full walk-around master stateroom, which is very nice. Tons of storage over there off to the starboard side. Over here off to the port, you have a nice lounging area for getting dressed, putting your shoes on. We'd like to thank you for watching this video of the 485 HTS. We're always open at MarineMax.com. Thank you.